Here are some common health abbreviations and their meanings: general medical, BP blood pressure, BMI body mass index, CPR cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CT scan computed tomography scan, DDEX diagnosis, ECG electrocardiogram heart rhythm, ED emergency department, EEG electroencephalogram brain activity, or emergency room same as ED, HIV human immunodeficiency virus, ICU intensive care unit, IV intravenous injection into a vein, medication, MRI magnetic resonance imaging scan, ARCS prescription. Conditions: ADHD attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome caused by HIV, COPD chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COVID-19 coronavirus disease 2019, DVT deep vein thrombosis, PTSD post-traumatic stress disorder. Dosages and instructions: A. See before meals Latin, anti-sibum. B. ID, twice a day Latin, bis in die. H. Hour, mg milligram. Paren as needed Latin, pro re nata. Q. D, everyday Latin, quack die. Tab tablet. Medical specialties: derm, dermatologist, and ear, nose, and throat specialist. GI gastroenterologist, OB-GYN obstetrician gynecologist, ortho orthopedist.